Guys, this is Scott again with Umber Outdoors. Got a neat little cooler attachment today for you. A good way to get your fish in the cooler without having to spend a lot of time raising the lid a bunch of times. I'm gonna turn the camera around here in just a second. We're gonna show you what we did, where we got it, how we did, but real quick, see that hat right there? 106.5 the ride. Mayor Glenn taking care of Umber Outdoors with a new hat. So let's turn it around and see what we got. All right, guys, here it is. We got us a cooler, and this is a cooler that I've had, that I've used before. And every time I catch a fish, I gotta reach back there and I gotta open the lid and I gotta put my fish in, close the lid, make sure it's shut, all that good stuff. But what we've done is we went on eBay and we bought us a trap door. Check that out. Now all I gotta do is put my fish right there, slide him in, and it snaps back too. We bought this little unit. I think it was about 24 bucks. It's actually called a raccoon door, a one-way door for a raccoon trap, I think. It's clear. And what we did, we just cut a hole in the cooler with a Sawzall. And when we got the hole in, we put a piece of wood, like a little 1x1 piece of wood in there. Now, some people will use expanded foam and fill that void up with expanded foam, and I may go back and do that just for insulation purposes. But I just put that 1x1 in there to run my screws through. Just takes 3 screws. I put like 1-inch screws in there. And if you wanted to, you could silicone across here. But this thing fits perfect on this cooler lid. It's exactly the right size here. And it's got a little lip. It's got a little lip that goes down and recesses inside the cooler there. So if we wanted to put a little silicone across there and seal that, wouldn't hurt to put a bead of silicone all the way around before you put this down in here. But it's a neat little idea. My brother put me onto it. He built one like this. And it really doesn't affect the cooler or any other. My cooler's dirty. Got to clean it up. But like I say, maybe put some expandable foam in the cracks here on both sides before you put the lid in, and then come back and trim everything nice and neat. I would say go ahead and put the wood in there on both sides when you put the foam in, and let it kind of secure the foam and all, and then trim all the excess foam and then slide that in, put your screws in, and you're ready to go. Just a little trick. This is a Wheel Cool 38 quart cooler by Igloo. And I think you can still buy these. I'm not sure. But that's just a little quick tip of the day so I can slide my crappie in the top and put them on ice in the hot weather. And as always, I appreciate you guys watching Umber Outdoors. And maybe y'all can go online and buy you one of these and fix your cooler up. See you guys on the next one.